How to turn off controller vibration in Fortnite in 2026. So let's get started. What is the vibration feature in Fortnite? The vibration feature is a controller setting that makes your gamepad vibrate during important in-game actions. It gives physical feedback for things like shooting, getting shot, explosions, building taking damage, or driving vehicles. This helps you feel what's happening in the game, making gameplay more immersive and improving reaction time. So players keep it on for realism. This helps you react faster because you can feel what's happening, not just see or hear it. It's especially useful in intense fights, so close combat and while driving vehicles. It also makes the game feel more realistic and immersive. Now in order to do this, what you have to do is open settings, and once you open settings, let me show you. Once you open settings, what you have to do is go to this wireless controller icon and click on input. Then just scroll down, and here you will see vibration feature. Just turn it off and your vibration feature would be turned off. So make sure to save the changes and apply it. And yes, this is how you can turn off controller vibration in Fortnite. So yes, if this video was helpful for you guys, please consider subscribing, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.